Welcome to Gyan Setu, the knowledge bridge. This video is for class 9, chapter 1. Exercise 1.5. First is classify whether they are rational or irrational. 2 minus root 5. So, 2 is rational and root 5 is irrational. When we subtract irrational to rational, the answer is irrational. So, we can see the answer is 0.2360. Okay. So, it is an irrational number. B is 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So, root 23 and minus root 23 will be cancelled. Answer is 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So, it is in form P by Q. The number is rational. C. 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Root 7 cancel. The answer is 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 is a rational number. D. 1 divided by root 2. So, 1 is rational and root 2 is irrational. So, the answer is irrational. It is an irrational number. E. 2 pi. What is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. When we take 3.14, the answer will be irrational. But when we take 22 by 7, the answer will be rational. So, E number can be rational, otherwise it can be irrational. It is, we have to simplify all this. 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. So, when we multiply 3 2s are, it is 6 and 3 root 3. 3 root 2. Then root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 and root 3 into root 2, it is root 6. 2, 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. We can use an identity. It is a plus b or a minus b. Here 3 is a and root 3 is b. So, the answer is a square minus b square. 3 square and root 3 square. So, 3 square 9 and root 3 is 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Then the answer is 6. 3 root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So, a plus b ka whole square, what is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, when we solve 5 square, it will be 5. 2 root 5 into root 2. Then 2 root 10. And root 2 square equals to 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then the answer is 7 plus 2 root 10. D number is root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. So, there is an identity a minus b and a plus b. So, a square minus b square. Then a is root 5 square and b is root 2 square. 5 square, root 5 square equals to 5 and root 2 square is 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. The answer is 3. Third is, it is given pi equals to c by d. We have to contradict that pi is irrational. Okay. So, it is given pi equals to c by d. So, c by d is a rational number because it is in p by q form. But if we calculate C by D, it gives pi because it is given. And we know that pi is irrational. It means either C or D or both are irrational. Whether C or whether D is irrational or both are irrational, because when we divide irrational to rational or rational to irrational, then the answer is irrational, and irrational pi is irrational. Okay. See question number 4. We have to represent root 9.3 on number line. So for this, we have to make a line segment of 9.3. Okay, centimeter or any unit. Then we have to extend 1 unit. Okay, so here we have taken centimeter, then it will be 1 centimeter. Then we have to make a perpendicular bisector of OE. Okay, when we made a perpendicular bisector of this, so now we can make a semicircle. We have taken B as center, so from B make a semicircle. Then you can see there is a point where it is meet. So we join these 2 points, or we can make a 90-degree angle at A. Then it touches on the semicircle. So from this, take an arc or measure AC and make a arc. Okay, and extend AE to D. So it is AD is root 9.3. Here AC is root 9.3. We can now prove also. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. For this we have to take triangle BAC. Here triangle BAC. First we have to join BC. Okay, let's suppose we have joined BC. So hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular plus base square. So here AC, here BC square is equals to AC square plus BA square. Okay, what is BC? BC is the radius. Okay, radius of this semicircle. So we can, it is 9.3. We have extended 1 unit. 9.3 plus 1, it is 10.3. 10.3 is divided by 2, so it comes 5.15. Why we have divided by 2? Because we have to find the radius. Okay, it is the diameter. Diameter is 10.3 and radius is 5.15. So the value of BC is 5.15. And what is the value of BA? BA is this. So this whole is 9.3. When we make 9.3 divided by 2, it gives 4.15. So square of 5.15, 26.5225. 5 and it is 4.17.2225. When we subtract, the answer is 9.3 and square comes to this side, it will become root. Then we have proved 9.3. AC is 9.3 and AC is equals to AD. Therefore, AC is equals to AD equals to 9.3. Okay. Here the last question. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Okay, we have to rationalize. Means we have to make the denominator as rational. So for this, we have to see the denominator. It is root 7. So for root 7, we have to multiply with root 7 and divide with root 7. 1 into root 7 and root 7 square. It is 7. Then the answer is root 7 by 7 and 7 is rational. Okay. So like this, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So we have to multiply root 7 plus root 6. Why plus? Here it is minus. So we change the sign. Okay. So root 7, 7. Root 6, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is root 7 plus root 6. 3, 1, root 5 plus root 2. For plus, so we take in minus. 1 into root 5, 1 into minus root 2, minus root 2. Okay. And 5, 2, 5 and root 2, 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Last one, 1 root 7 minus 2. So 1 by root 7 minus 2 and root 7 plus 2. Okay. So it will be root 7, 7 and root 2, 2. 7 and 4 minus karenge to 3. Okay. Here what is the identity we have seen in the question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 mein we have seen this is a plus b or a minus b. Then the identity is a square minus b square. Okay. So in 2, 3 and 4 we have using the identity a square minus b square. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. For any suggestions or query, please comment in comment box. Like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu.